Alright, so what we're doing is we're just adjusting the slopes here. And so I'm fine-tuning the final slopes, and I had to pull back that sod, but it really requires you to run water to figure out just how the drainage is actually working, and just scooping off a few inches is really critical. Sometimes you got to get in and make things work, even if it's an inch or two. So, I mean, that much difference can make the difference of water flowing in here or not flowing in here. This is the drain line. Look closely, you're going to see the opening for the inlet, and water's flowing into that, and I just need to make sure that all the water from the side yard flows into that quickly. Going out to the street, so. All right. So if you got a leak or if you can't figure out your drainage, give me a call, 402-309-3911. I'm Gus, the leak detective. Have a good one.